Hey guys, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. I'm going to pick up where I left off on this rule of 72, but of course, before I do that, anything I share with you is for information, educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial advice. It is certainly not. But let's get back to this. I mean, guys, this is a really important concept that you need to understand if you ever want to successfully double your money, double your investment, double your capital. So the rule of 72. We divide 72 by a fixed annual rate of return, and that gives us the number of years that it takes for us to double our investment. Now, listen, some of you are okay with waiting forever. If you have tons of money, it doesn't bother you. But for the majority of us, we are looking to as quickly and efficiently double our money as possible. Why? Well, it serves a couple things. A, it provides income. B, it provides stability. And three, it's the path to wealth. And listen, that's what we're all here for. We're here today to have a better tomorrow. And I want to show you what that looks like, because it is very easily attainable. I mean, this is something you can do with, minimal experience and just a little bit of time, and you can capitalize on small moves in the market that give you a return on investment. Now, if you could do that over and over again on a daily basis, let me tell you something. You don't have to wait 18 years or 12 years or 9 or 7.2 or even 6 years to double your money. You could do that inside of months. We're not talking about years anymore. And when you get good at it and you start to compound, you could do it inside of weeks. And that's where this really becomes very, very powerful. So this is an actual example of a trade that I took last week. This is a daytime, intraday trade. And by simply understanding a few things, if you understand that volume precedes price action and that price action is affected by supply and demand, you can kind of read the market. You could take the market's temperature as it's moving and know when it's time to get in and where it's time to get out, and manage your risk reward opportunity in doing that. And as all that transpires, you could take 1, 2, potentially 3 trades a day. And listen, sometimes less is more. You don't have to trade a lot necessarily, especially to just be profitable. So, in this particular day, there was really only one trade opportunity that met the qualifications, that really made sense. There was enough reward to offset taking the risk, and listen, the price did exactly what I anticipated it would. It left supply, it left demand and went to supply, and with that, I was able to capture 20 ticks. Now, it's irrelevant the size of your trading account as long as you are capturing the move. If you're capturing the move, what you're doing is you're getting your return on capital or return on investment. So, for this example, I trade 10 contracts. If you can't trade 10, you just trade 1 and you take a 0 off. That's the only difference. So if I made $2,000 with 10 contracts, you would have made $200 with 1 contract. Listen, $200 a day, 5 days a week, it's $1,000 a week. It's $52,000 a year. I mean, listen, that is some substantial money. So let's just analyze this a little bit further. So as the market, presented its opportunity, we just went from basically a demand zone to a supply zone. We knew that the reward was in favor of taking the risk, and we captured the move. And then we did nothing the rest of the day. The market really stayed in this pretty tight area of congestion. And guys, listen, that happens. Remember, markets only trend about 30% of the time. So the other 70% of the time, the market really trades in what's called range-bound congestion. And as that happens, listen, we still need to get a return on our money. We still need to make money. So that's how we take these little base hit trades. Now, guys, very, very simple. I use $60,000 of trading capital here to get this $2,000 return. So how do we figure out what our return on investment was? We take the $2,000 we made and we divide it by the $60,000 we used, and we get a 3.33333% return on our trade. So the money we utilized, we never lost any of it. We just utilized it to get this return, and we got a 3.33 whatever trade on it. So guys, that's 3% that was transpired inside of about an hour's time. Listen, you could put your money in a savings account or a CD for 12 months or 18 months and not get 3% on your money. Listen, the ability to do this on a daily, weekly, monthly, annual basis repetitively is where your money starts to compound. And as that continues to transpire, you can start adding to your position size because now you're playing with earned money. That's the way you start with a small account and build it consistently to a larger account. When you get to a number of contracts or share size that you're comfortable with, you just stick with it. I trade with 10 contracts. I'm comfortable there, and that's just what I trade with. I have no need to add any more because this is serving the purpose in which I need it to. And you too can do this on whichever scale that you are ready and prepared to do so. So with that, your ability to do this is reliant on you stepping forward. It's reliant on you getting involved with us here at Hawkeye, having access to the indicators, having access to our methodology, having access to our teachings and coaching. Guys, with all those tools, you too can get a 3+% return on your money on a daily basis. Imagine doing 3% 5 days a week. That's a 15% return on your money. Do that 4 weeks out of the month. That's a 60% return on your money. I mean, listen, do that 12 months out of the year. You're 720% return on your money. Guys, it becomes that powerful by just capturing a little move on a regular and daily basis. So I encourage you, I implore you, click the link below, watch the VSwarm webinar. I promise it's well worth your time. It will show you example after example of how you can just replicate what I just showed you, whether you want to trade stocks, futures, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, it doesn't matter. Forex pairs, you can do it all with our software. So if you have questions, comments, concerns, feel free to call us or email us. If you'd like to visit us anytime, we are always open for business at HawkeyeTraders.com. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day, a blessed day, and a profitable one, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.